Minnesota Technology System Contractor Bond. What is Minnesota Technology System Contractor Bond? The Minnesota Technology System Contractor Bond is a type of surety bond required for contractors who install, repair, or maintain low-voltage technology systems such as security alarms, communication networks, and data cabling. It acts as a financial guarantee that the contractor will comply with state licensing laws and professional standards. This bond protects consumers and the state from financial losses caused by negligence, fraud, or failure to follow regulations. Why is Minnesota Technology System Contractor Bond required? Minnesota requires this bond as part of the licensing process to ensure contractors operate with honesty and accountability. It provides a safeguard for the public by guaranteeing that contractors will meet their contractual obligations and follow state laws. Without the bond, property owners would have little recourse if a contractor failed to complete work properly or engaged in misconduct. How does Minnesota Technology System Contractor Bond work? If a contractor violates licensing laws or causes financial harm, a claim can be filed against the bond by the affected party. The surety company that issued the bond may cover the damages up to the bond's limit, ensuring customers receive compensation. The contractor is ultimately responsible for reimbursing the surety, reinforcing accountability and ethical business practices. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.